Let's call upon Yashik to say Hindi words. Hello everyone, this is Yashvi. I am student second standard in our Shanti Niketan English Medium School. My telling about Hindi words Kamal Pen, PN Pen, Sadak Road, ROAD Road, Nahal Camel, CAN Camel, Nayat, I, Mahal Palace, PALACE Palace, Kamal Lotus, Salmotius Lotus, Badak Duck, DUCK Duck, Rishabh Box, OX Socks, Circus, CUS Circus, Ajakan Code, COAT Code, Asgar Python, PYTHON Python, Adarak Ginger, 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 Birthday Utensil, ENCILS, utensils का सरब एक्सरसाइज EXCRCISC एक्सरसाइज दर्पण मेला यम्माई मेला servant and thank you everyone. Fantastic. Put your hands together for him.